Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today we're going to learn how to zoom in iMovie. Again, I'm doing this on a computer, on a MacBook Pro using iMovie. I will make a follow-up video to this showing you how to do this on the iPhone version of iMovie. But let's go ahead and get started. So this is the 2024 version of iMovie. Obviously, first step is to open iMovie. Mine's in my dock. It's this purple star. If yours is not in this dock, you go to Launchpad, this right here. You search iMovie, and you'll have it. If you haven't deleted this from your computer, you have it by default if you have a Mac computer. Okay, so we're going to show you how to zoom, also known as the Ken Burns effect, but double click on it. Well, when you use photos, it's called the Ken Burns effect. I'm going to show you on a photo first and on a video. It's basically the same process. So on a photo, I would double click it, and by default it goes to this symbol right here. This little square symbol is the crop symbol, okay? So you can crop to fill, which would make it all like that. Fill the screen with that, okay? If I double click it, I can go back to fit, which would just be the full photo. Or I could do a zoom. So to zoom, I click on Ken Burns, and you'll see that this first rectangle says start, okay? That would be where I want it to start, all right? Let's have it start right there, okay? And then I click on the second rectangle. Come on, where are you? It's kind of hard sometimes when they're on top of each other. The second rectangle where it says end, and I'd click on the corner and I would drag it to zoom in. That would be to zoom in. To just pan or tilt, I would just move it wherever I want to move it. In this case, let's move it right over her face, and you'll watch as it does a nice zoom into a nice close-up of her face eating spaghetti. So that is how you zoom in iMovie on a photo. Now, let's turn this volume down. I don't want to hear that. Oops. Let's turn down the volume. Okay. Now let's zoom on a video. Okay. So same thing. Double click it. Now this time it's not by default. I have to click the crop button. That's this square right here. Third symbol in. And then same thing. I can crop to fill, which will fill the screen. This would be like for if I had filmed it in portrait mode and I want it to fill the screen, I'd do crop to fill. But if I want to zoom, I click on Ken Burns effect. Same thing, I got my starting point. We'll go ahead and leave our starting point, which is just the full screen. Then I select my end screen right here. And let's shorten this clip so it stays on where we're wrestling. Man, I'm out of shape. That's embarrassing. We'll go right there. Okay. So double click on it again. Go to the crop button. Ken Burns will start full screen. Then we click on the end square, and let's zoom in really close. Right there. Okay. Now you can watch this zoom. Boom. And that, my friends, that is how you zoom in iMovie. If you liked this, check out the link in the description. That link is to all my iMovie tutorials. I've got probably a couple dozen that I've made over the years. And hopefully you'll like and subscribe to Teach Mom How, and I'll keep cranking out some tutorials. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I will answer your question. Have a great day.